Hey everybody, it's Tom from Vehicle Visionary. I hope you're having a great day. This tutorial is applicable to all GMC Hummer EV models, the pickups and the SUVs. If you're having trouble with your center screen, maybe it's locked up and not performing correctly, or if you have no audio at all coming from your speakers, and that will include when you turn on your blinkers, you don't hear that ticking sound. This is what you can try, and hopefully it will fix the problem. Most likely it will. What you're going to do is hold this button down. So we're going to hold that down. You hold it down for about 10 seconds, and you'll know when you've successfully completed this step because you're going to get a message on the screen with two different options. I'll let that come up so you can see what it is. Now you can go into recovery mode, or you can simply do a factory reset, and it's going to ask if you're sure about the factory reset. We're going to select yes. Now this screen will be up for just a few seconds, then the screen will go black. Don't let that scare you. There's nothing wrong. A few seconds after that, here's what's going to happen. The screen comes right back up just as it did right there. And that is what you do to reset your screen. I hope that helps out. If there is another tutorial you would like to see me make on the GMC Hummer, tell me down in the comments section, and I'll definitely make that for you. Thanks for taking the time to watch. I appreciate your time as always. Have a great day.